Alright, there we go. Volume down a little bit there. There we go, much better. Alrighty.
Observation 2053 Zulu. Wind 180 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 4,200. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 3002. Remarks: density altitude 1,900. New Century Air Center. Automated weather observation 2053 Zulu. Wind 180.
Elevator. Alright, elevator. Alright, rudder. Rudder's good. Alrighty, and brake check. As we're taxiing here. Brake. Alrighty. Alrighty, let me double. New Century Ground, Skyhawk 62425 is at New Century Air Service requesting a taxi clearance to the active runway for touch and goes, and we have the weather.
Cessna 62425 New Century Tower, crushing New Century Ground, runway 18, taxi via Bravo Lima Kilo.
18 via Bravo Lima Kilo, 425, thank you. Mic check, mic check.
Ground, New Century Tug is over at the North T hangars, and I'd like to reposition to New Century Air Service, please. New Century Tug, proceed via Lima Bravo. Lima Bravo, New Century Tug, thank you.
Alright, before takeoff, check plane of the wind, parking brake set, fuel selector both, trim set, mixture full rich, throttle to 1700. Alright, gauge check, fuel quantity looks good, vacuum gauge is good, OAT clock, alright. Engine monitoring looks good, alternator check. Alright, that looks good. Alright, magneto check for 125 drop within 50, or max 125. Alright, magnetos look good. Alright, carburetor heat, check for the RPM drop. It's there, and it comes back. Alright, throttle idle check. Alright, idle fine. Friction lock. Radio panels, volume, transmit on 1, listen on 1. Tower queued up. Alright, now using GPS. Transponder altitude 12. Our flight. Autopilot. Test. Alright. Doors closed, lights on. And takeoff briefing. Alright, if we have a failure during the run-up, we will hit the brakes and throttle back. If we've lifted off the ground and we have runway remaining, we'll land on the remaining runway. If we are past, we're going towards Walmart, so our only options are slightly to the left, and they're not very good, but we'll do our best, and if we're at a higher altitude, we'll land on whatever runway we can. Alright, takeoff briefing. Before takeoff check was complete. Alright, let's taxi back over.
Ground, November 20 Tango, signature flight support, ready for taxi.
November 20 Tango, New Century Ground, wind 190 at 16, altimeter 3002, runway 18, taxi via Alpha to Kilo.
Okay, 18 via Alpha and Kilo, 20 Tango.
Alright, we'll switch over to tower. And call them up. New Century Tower, Skyhawk 62425, holding short of runway 18 on Kilo, ready for departure, and we'd like to stay in the pattern to do stop and goes.
Skyhawk 62425, New Century Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, make left traffic, report midfield left downwind each pass.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 18, 425, and make left traffic and report right midfield, or left midfield downwind each time, thank you. Rotate to 55, check gauges. Full throttle, and here we go. Rotate. Alright, airspeed's alive. for VY. Oh, wow. All right, gauges look good.
Lands 5 Alpha Alpha, say your current position.
I'm coming up on the north end of 18, about parallel to it at 3500 on the west side.
Lands 5 Alpha Alpha, roger. I'm going to have a Phenom departing runway 18 with a left turn, climbing to 5,000.
Okay, we'll be looking for the Phenom. Tower, Phenom 20 Tango, hold short 18, ready for departure.
November 20 Tango, New Century Tower departure, fly heading 160, climb and maintain 5,000. Runway 18, clear for takeoff.
160 up at 5,000, 18 clear for takeoff, 20 Tango.
All right, 2100. Pattern altitude, level off. Before landing checklist, field
Land
selector.
tower, land 545 Alpha. I'll go
Extra
through
rich,
180 here on the west side and start right circle.
Which I did. Alright, before landing
Lands 5
checklist
Alpha Alpha, roger, that's approved. Lands 5 Alpha Alpha, additional traffic I'm going to have in the left-hand pattern. There's a Cessna in the left-hand one at this time.
Okay, we'll be looking for that traffic as well. 3500.
New Century Tower, Sky 62425 is on a left midfield, left downwind for 18.
Sky 425, runway 18, clear for the option.
18, clear for the option, 425.
November 20 Tango, contact departure, have a good flight.
Departure, good day, 20 Tango.
Alright. Pops up, carburetor heat in. We're good to go. Rotate.
New Century Tower, Skybolt 526 Juliet, November at Kilo, ready for west departure.
Skybolt 526 Juliet, November, New Century Tower, runway 18, clear for takeoff, right turn out approved.
Clear for takeoff, right turn out, 6 Juliet, November.
New Century Tower, King Air 3620, Mike, holding short on 18, ready for departure.
King Air 3620, Mike, New Century Tower, hold short runway 18, weighing that for our release.
Hold short, 3620, Mike.
King Air 20, Mike, on departure, turn right heading 340, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
18 clear for takeoff, right 340, King Air 3620, Mike.
New Century Tower, land 545 Alpha Alpha. We're southeast of you. I'd like to do another 180 and we'll start back on left circle.
Lance 5 Alpha Alpha, roger, that's approved. I have a King Air departing runway 18 at this time with a right turn to 340, climb to 3000.
Alright, before
Okay,
landing,
look for traffic.
fuel selector,
Increase down the east
make
side
sure
here.
rich, seatbelt, altimeter heading, and landing in strobe.
Skyhawk 425, traffic, King Air departing runway 18 prior to arrival, maintain visual separation from that traffic, caution like turbulence, runway 18 clear for the option.
18 clear for the option, we have traffic in sight, and we'll maintain separation. Thank you. 425. Alright, before landing check is complete.
Lance 5 Alpha Alpha, so after this circle, are you going to be inbound?
We'll probably do another couple orbits and then we'll call you when we're ready to come in.
Roger.
Carburetor heat.
King Air 20, Mike, contact departure, have a good flight.
Square departure, have a great day, 20, Mike.
Turning final. Final officer flaps. Throttle back a little bit more. Alright, carburetor heat, flaps. Alright, here we go. Rotate 55. Alright, here we go.
Charlie X-ray, bear at the end.
November 110 Charlie X-ray, New Century Tower, hold short of runway 18, wing 9 for release.
Roger, hold short.
November 0 Charlie X-ray on departure, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 5,000, runway 18 clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 5,000, clear for takeoff, runway 18, 110 Charlie X-ray.
Alright, before landing, we got fuel selector, seatbelt, altimeter heading, landing and strobe.
November 0 Charlie X-ray, contact Mr. Safe Flight.
Have a good day.
Alright, before landing check is complete.
Sky 425, runway 18 cleared for the option.
18 clear for the option, 425, thank you. And 425 would like to go back to New Century Air Service.
Skyhawk 425, left turn approved down 22, left on Bravo to parking, monitor ground.
Left on 22, Bravo to parking, monitor ground, 425.
New Century Tower, Cessna 1812 Yankee is 8 miles to the west, heading inbound for some pattern work.
Cessna 1812 Yankee, New Century Tower, report the right base for runway 18.
Report right base for runway 18, 1812 Yankee.
New Century Tower, Skybolt 526 Juliet November, over the intermodal, inbound landing.
Skybolt 526 Juliet November, New Century Tower, roger, so how many miles out do you know?
Approximately 3.
Skybolt 6 Juliet November, roger, report the right base for runway 18.
Right base 18 for 6 Juliet November.
And Cessna 12 Yankee, how many miles west are you?
I'm 6 miles west now.
Roger.
New Century Tower, Skybolt 526 Juliet November is entering right base 18.
Skybolt 6 Juliet November, runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land for 6 Juliet November.
Alrighty. Alright, after landing flaps up, mixture lean, carburetor heat cold. Landing and strobe off. Alright, after landing checklist complete. Go back to parking.
Skybolt 6 Juliet November, 180 back taxi approved. Right on Bravo, then leaving to parking, monitor ground.
Back taxi and over to ground. Thank you for your help, 6 Juliet November.
Alrighty. Shut down. Avionics off.